Basic concept of pendulums. It's as it says, like a pendulum on the clock, swinging backwards and forwards. These are brushes, so they're not fast and they are big, taken from the knee and hip, tapping the ball of foot as you swing the leg. And as a pendulum is, it needs to be kept with a really good, consistent timing. You can't do some fast, some slow. They would all be consistently the same speed and the same amount of time. To do pendulums in dance, to add them in anywhere, you do a hop between each swing of the leg. Forward hop, back hop, forward hop, back hop, forward hop, back hop, forward hop, back hop. So I've shown you in another video pendulum with wings, so check out the wing video before you attempt this, but it's basically one pendulum forward with a wing and one pendulum back with a wing. Pendulum forward, keep the foot there as you make the wing, swing back, keep the foot there, wing. Swing forward, keep it there, wing, back, wing. It's very important to make sure when you make the wing, you don't wobble the pendulum leg around. You must retain it in exactly the same place when doing a wing, which is a common mistake to see as you do the wing on the other foot, the pendulum leg swinging out of control. So watch that. You can, of course, put your pendulums into time steps and breaks. So again, make sure you've watched my videos on single, double, triple, time steps and breaks, and why not try and put them in other breaks and time steps as well. Mix and match all your time steps. I'm not going to repeat them again because, as I say, if you watch my whole series, I don't like to keep showing you repeat of everything we've done. It's a case of going back and looking at the videos you want to see and join the pieces together. So you can do any time step at all and add a pendulum in, such as single break. So now let's do a single break with a pendulum forward and a pendulum back. Shuffle, hop, spring, pendulum, pendulum. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, hop, spring, pendulum, pendulum, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Did you see there was two pendulums in the middle there after the spring? Shuffle, hop, spring, pendulum, pendulum, tap, ball change. As we make the pendulums, we always hop. Shuffle, hop, spring, pendulum, pendulum, tap, ball change. Shuffle, hop, spring, pendulum, pendulum, tap, ball change. Have a go. You know now where to insert any step you want to add in time steps and breaks. Why not add any of your wings into time steps and breaks? You can add them into any time steps and breaks. Just know by watching all my breaks and time step videos how you insert and where to insert. So I'll just show you, for example, a wing on one foot into a single time step. If you're not sure of single time step, go back and watch that video. So we will do shuffle, hop, spring, wing, tap, ball change. 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 And let's show you single break with a wing on one foot. Shuffle, hop, spring, wing, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, hop, spring, wing, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. So try yourself just by watching all my videos to put in any types of wings that I've shown you in my wing series and just stick them in the middle to make some great combinations. Here's an example of wing changes with a single time step. Shuffle, hop, spring, wing, tap, ball change. 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 Let's show you a triple break with a wing change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, wing, tap, ball change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, wing, tap, ball change. So you can see you can add them anywhere you like. How about a single travelling time step with a wing change? Shuffle, hop, spring, wing, shuffle, step. Then of course you would have your left foot free, so you could do one the other way for a time step and break combination. Shuffle, hop, spring, wing change, shuffle, step. Have a go at mixing and matching all your breaks and time steps. See how quickly you can change from one to the other, and don't forget, please practice them all fast and get a lovely rhythm going. So until next time, thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and tell me about your dancing. Are you dancing? Are you just learning through my videos? Do you go to a dance or stage school? What level are you? Do you do exams? Let me know. Have a go and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up.